this lift is actually at wow. Look at this interesting lift. So this used to be a hydraulic express, not anymore. It's been fully replaced with an EcoDisc. Shaft doors are original. Oh wow, only one button panel. I'm pretty sure the old lift used to be glass or something, didn't it? This is completely enclosed.
Third floor. Going down.
UK voice. Yep, there's an EcoDisc motor up there. Capacity 2,000 kgs, 26 persons. Here we are at 0.
Floor 0. Going up. Third floor. Going down.
Look at that one button there for the main floor. But what we'll do is we'll send it down and then we can have a look at the motor. There it is. Full replacement there. Now, like I say, the only downside is when you come out here and you have a look, they so easily could have made this lift scenic and they didn't. Oh, it's coming up again. There we go. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more, then head over to my channel where you can explore more than a decade's worth of videos, or you can subscribe to see my latest videos when they're released. Don't forget that you can also follow me on Instagram for exclusive posts and you can join my weekly live streams.